Hey folks, somehow I found myself in a campground all by myself. Nobody else here. Just me. Check it out. Pretty cool campground. Beautiful place. Kind of place you only see in pictures. Got to see it with your own eyes. It's amazing. Just beautiful. Tomorrow morning I'm going to get up and do the hike up into the canyon. I guess there's about a 2 mile hike up to the canyon. You get up in there and do that. But I just wanted to show you a bit of where I'm at before it gets completely dark. But I like the way the light shines off these mountains. Pretty neat.